Hi, Billy of the May here with SigilSafe, the magically sealed safe that will protect all of your most precious treasures for eons to come. Dungeon or tower, bog or mountaintop, the SigilSafe is designed to give you, and only you, access inside for just 158 gold pieces plus shipping and handling. This safe could not be easier to use. All you need is the locking spell and basic magical ability. No wand required. Every sigil safe is locked with a 4-part locking spell, which, when entered in sequence, will unlock the safe in no time flat. But you gotta be quick. If you take longer than 30 seconds, the safe will automatically reseal, preventing any would-be lockpicks. Now, this box here is our demo model, and comes with the preset locking spell. Fotis, Canis, Noctis, and, of course, the international symbol for OK. And, just like that, I've unlocked the sigil safe and can get at my most precious treasures. My DVD copies of National Treasure 1 and 2, starring Nicolas Cage. And, once you're done, locking the sigil safe is just as easy as threatening it with a couple fireballs. And, just like that, the sigil safe is locked tighter than the lament configuration. And you don't have to worry about any rogue barbarians trying to break it open. If anyone tries to breach the sigil safe with physical means, it will immolate everything in a 20-meter radius. But wait, there's more. If you place your order before the next full moon, you can get the sigil safe at half the town square price. That's right, SigilSafe can be yours for the low price of 79 gold pieces plus shipping and handling. This sale won't last long though, so order now and get SigilSafe and keep your treasures under lock and magical key. But how does the SigilSafe work, I hear you ask? With magic, of course. Now, I'll give you a breakdown, but the enchantments inside are layered, so we're going to start at the bottom and build up to the final product. Let's jump in. First, the SigilSafe uses this crystal lens to capture an image of the magical aura you emit. This image is then fed into an incantation called Media Pipe, developed by famed warlock Google. This outputs the coordinates of 20 points in the hand casting spells, as well as any other hands it sees. From there, my magics use these coordinates to calculate the largest hand and crop the aura image using a box with a 40% margin around that hand, using nearest neighbor to extend the image as needed. Then, a Gaussian blur is applied to denoise the image. Now, my magic samples the aura at the 20 hand coordinates, as well as a 21st in the center of the palm, and averages the color in a 9x9 box around each point. Masks are made by thresholding the image to only allow each color, plus a 7% error, through as a binary image. The 21 masks are then added to form an overall binary image of the hand aura. Next, an open-close enchantment is performed to clean the binary mask. The final step in this chain of enchantments is a resizing of the image down to 100 by 100. This processed image is then sent into one final enchantment of my own device, the SigilSeal CNN, or Convolutional Neural Network, which interprets the aura image to classify it as one of the 4 locking spell elements, the relock spell, or none. How did I create this CNN? I used my aura processing magics from before and recorded 1,000 aura images of each spell type and 500 of the non-spells. I then used these images to train my custom CNN. I used 3 blocks, each consisting of 2 convolutional layers with ReLU activation, followed by a max pooling by a factor of 2 and dropout to prevent overfitting. From here, now with 12x12 images of high-level features, I flattened them all into a single array and put them through 2 fully connected layers with ReLU activation and dropout. Finally, I put the results through a softmax layer to get the predicted likelihood of each symbol. Once classified, I used a secondary enchantment to watch for the correct spell to be cast for 1 second without interruption before moving to the next spell element and lighting a corner of the magic seal. When all the elements are cast, the seal will light green and the box will pop open. From there, the box watches for the lock spell to be cast before resealing. So there you have it. SigilSafe, the most powerful magically sealed safe on this plane of existence, can be yours for just 79 gold pieces plus shipping and handling. Order today.
SigilSafe is not responsible for loss of property or life that results from the SigilSafe simulation feature. Keep out of reach of children and small goblins. Do not store cursed items in the SigilSafe.